Hello everybody, welcome to this platform. Let's provide solution to this interesting math problem. We have given b plus 1 over 1 plus b equal to 2. Okay, now by copy what we have b plus 1 over 1 plus b equal to 2. Then here we're going to use cross multiplication. Then we have to b plus 1 equal to 2 open bracket of 1 plus b close bracket. Okay, now this will provide b plus 1 equal to 2 plus 2b. Okay, now b can be equal to 2 plus 2b, then minus 1. Okay, then b equal to 2b, then plus 1. Okay, then what are we going to do? We are going to square both sides to get b squared equal to 2b squared plus 2, then 2b, okay, times 1, then plus 1 squared, which is equal to 1. Okay, then we have b squared, which equal to 4b squared plus 4b plus 1. Okay, then we shall have, by grouping like terms, we shall have here, and let's say that 4b squared minus b squared plus 4b plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, then what we have right here, we have 3b squared plus 4b plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, then what we have right here, we have 3b squared, and then this 4b shall be equal to 3b plus b plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, then what we have right now is this. We have 3, then 3b, factorize out 3b to get b plus 1, and factorize 1 right here to get b plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, then 3b plus 1 and b plus 1 equal to 0. Then we shall have 3b plus 1 equal to 0, or b plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, then 3b equal to negative 1, whereas here b equal to negative 1 over 3. Okay, for this question, whereas right here b equal to negative 1. And always have to check if our answer is correct. Okay, now we have given b plus 1 over 1 plus b equal to 2. Okay, now we have value of b equal to negative 1, or b equal to negative 1 over 3. Okay, now by replacing negative 1 right here, plus 1 over 1 minus 1 equal to 2 question mark, so that here we have a 0 over a 0, which is not equal to a 0. So b does not equal to negative 1. Okay, what about on negative 1 over 3? So that what we say here, we have to replace it on above equation, so that you have negative 1 over a 3 plus 1 over 1 plus negative 1 over a 3, which equal to 2 question mark. Okay, well, that's right here. We shall have a 3, and once we have that right here, we shall have 2 2 over 3. Whereas down here we shall have over, like here we have minus 1 over 3, 2 over 3 also, which equal to a 2 question mark. So by multiplication, 2 over 3 times 3 over a 2 equal to a 2 question mark. This and this and this and this, so that 1 does not equal to a 2. So b does not equal to negative a 3. Okay, so that this question, we can decide that this question has no real solution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.